Ever felt rejuvenated after spending some time in nature? Or ever wondered that do the plants communicate? Keep watching. Hi everyone, I am Gurleen Kaur. I am a life coach, and today I'm going to share a very personal story, more of a habit now, about how I reap the benefits the nature has to offer, the calmness the nature has to offer, and talking with plants, how that happens, and how cool it is. All right, so nature has an incredible way to heal. Studies show that spending time in green spaces can reduce stress, lower your blood pressure, and improve overall well being. Research by the University of Exeter found that exposure to nature significantly boosts mental health. In a lot of hospitals, there are being made green rooms just to replicate the warmth, the calmness that the nature provides. Did you know that plants can communicate? Through a network called Wood Wide Web, trees and plants share resources and information. Plants release chemical signals and use mycorrhizal network, a symbiotic association between fungi and plant roots, to communicate. This fascinating phenomena shows how interconnected life is. For instance, when a plant is being attacked by pests, it sends these chemicals to warn the neighboring plants around it. How beautiful is that, no? So let me share a personal story with you. Plants are our second plane of healing. If we take the full whatever plants have to offer us, it can be incredible for us. So plants have this, nature is known to be very calming, and it gives you that, it soothes your mood and helps you just accept things in life, which is a lot of times very difficult for us in our everyday city lives. And a lot of times you will encounter this, that if you're sitting in a park, if you're sitting in a nature and you're around trees and plants, there is this calmness that you get. You feel very, very relaxed. So in the sessions that I take, I every time make sure that I give this activity to my clients, and I do this with them. Plants can help us in two ways. First, if you walk barefoot in a garden, that is the ultimate way to do grounding. Helps you release a lot of toxins from your body. That's the physical benefit. On the emotional level, it makes you very aligned with your chakras. It helps you just be with yourself and remove all the extra noises and extra thoughts that you have. Second, talking to plants. So here I would like to share what I do a lot of times. It is now a habit that I have. A lot of times there are a lot of things which you cannot share with people around, or you just are feeling too messy here. There are so many thoughts, just everything is making just no sense. During that time, if you just go around and be in a space of trees and plants, you will find, if you're interested, of course you need to have the faith and you need to understand, you need to have an ear to hear. So you just need to be there and you need to just start communicating with plants. You get answers. I am 100% sure, because I have experienced it. I have people who have experienced it. All of my clients, this is something that we do. You just have to be in that space, it's like, imagine you're not being judged. Imagine you are not, nobody's going to counter your thoughts. I mean, how cool is that going to be? It's just, you can just let go of all the thoughts and you get advice at times. It might sound funny, but I have been there. I do that. It's not that the plant is going to come and talk to you, but it's just that your mind will give you an answer. Your mind will give you a very calmer and a very soothing answer to that. Let's try this right now. So even if you are in an office or in a space you cannot go now, but whenever possible, do this. And if it is possible for you right now, do it. Otherwise, just close your eyes and imagine you are in a park or a ground where you go in regularly, like often you visit that place, imagine, just close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just imagine yourself being in that park, that ground, wherever you go most often. Imagine the trees around you and you sitting on that bench. Just let go of all the extra noise, the thoughts, anything about a topic you cannot talk to anybody else but need guidance. Share it. Share it. Pick a plant, pick a tree, whatever works for you. Just pour everything there. Stay there. Be open to receiving the love, the calmness, the patience, the alignment, the worthiness that the plants are providing you. Be open to receiving answers to your questions. Be open to receiving guidance to your issues, to your problems. As and when you feel like, just open your eyes. Tell me how it was. Did it make you calmer? Did it help you be more at peace? Did it help you accept yourself a little more? Do write in the comment section or drop a message to us. Let us know. Let me know if this worked for you. Because if it did, I will tell you many more ways to get answers out of nature and utilize the beautiful benefits the second plane of healing has to offer. To know the other planes of healing, you can just click on this here and you will get a link to my other video where we talk about the 7 planes of healing. I hope this helps. Try being crazy and talking to the plants. They're going to make great friends. See you in the next video. If you like this one, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such fun, crazy, interesting insights into just healing your mind and feeling more better and more happier and more calmer. Ta-da, take care.